Good morning, children. I hope you all are safe and sound. Today we are going to start a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Little Tiger and Big Tiger. There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. They lived near a river in a shady jungle. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. The tiger cub stayed close by his mother's side. Children, here a mother tiger and a small tiger cub, and they lived near a jungle in a shady jungle. Shady means where a lots of trees are there. When the sky was dark means at night. The mother tiger used to hunt it for deer and pig, and the tiger cub stayed close by his mother, and the tiger cub used to stay close his mother side because he was very small. He may frightened at night, so he used to stay close by his mother's side. Hunted means to kill someone for food. When the langur monkey saw her, he called a loud, harsh call. Watch out! A tiger is coming. The sambar deer bellowed. The cocker deer barked, and sometimes the game got away. She hunted then for jungle fowl, for pheasant and for frog, or went to the river for fish. But she did not hunt every night. Students, when the mother tiger goes for hunting, then Langur monkey saw her. What did he do? He called a loud, harsh call means he shouted, and in his language he called out, a tiger is coming. It is like a warning to all the animals, and the sambar deer also cried loudly. The cocker deer barked means make sound so that every animal know that a tiger is coming and they can save themselves for hunting. And sometimes the game got away because the monkeys are making sound as a warning, and all the animals go away. They hide himself, and at the time the mother tiger is not able to hunt animals. Then she hunted for jungle fowl means jungle birds, frog, and went to the river for fish. But that mother tiger not hunted every night. If the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn. She twitched the tip of her tail, and the tiger cub pounced on her tail again and again. If the moon is bright, means if there is a full moon night, what will mother tiger do? She will lay down. Waited dawn means the first light of the day when the sun is about to come out up, then that time is called dawn. The mother tiger will lay down and waited for dawn. Now what will she do? She will move her tail up and down. The tiger cub used to jump on her tail again and again. It means that night moon is full and there is a light all around. She did not hunt that night, and she just lay down and waited for dawn. And the tiger cub used to play with her tail. If he went too far away, the mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. The tiger come back, but he did not like to stay near his mother in the jungle at night. Now, students, when the tiger cub become older means when he is growing, and then he went too far away, and the mother tiger called him in low sound means she makes low sound. The tiger cub came back, but he doesn't like to stay near his mother in the jungle at night. One night the mother tiger was tired and closed her eyes. The tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground. The tiger cub pounced, but the frog hopped away. He chased the frog and caught it, and turned to show his mother. But she was not in sight. Instead, he saw a tiger, bigger than his mother, near him in the jungle. Now, what happens to that child on one night? Children, Mother Tiger was tired and sleeping. The tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground. You know what he did? The tiger cub pounced, means he jumped on it. But the frog hopped away. Children, the tiger cub wanted to catch the frog. So he chased the frog. And at the end, he chased and caught the frog. Now he wanted to show her mother that I have caught, but she was not in sight, means she was not around. Instead of his mother, what did he saw? He saw a very big tiger. Then his mother near him. The tiger's green eyes glistened as he watched the tiger cub. The tiger cub was frightened. He could not hide or run. He let the frog hop away. The tiger creep up closer to the tiger cub. Children, you know there was a big tiger. When he saw tiger baby, his eyes were glistening. You know glistening means shiny. And the tiger cub was frightened. He got scared because he could not hide and run. And he let the frog away. The big tiger started coming near the small tiger. But a roar filled the jungle, the roar of the mother tiger. She faced the other tiger and he went away. The mother tiger liked to roar a loud, big tiger roar to tell all the other animals in the jungle that she was there. All the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. You know, children, the bigger tiger coming near to the baby because he wanted to attack to him. Children, the big tiger come near to the tiger cub and at the same time, what happened? A roar filled the jungle. There was a big loud roar of mother tiger. In the jungle, she faced another bigger tiger and that tiger went away. And the mother tiger liked to roar like a big other tiger because she wants other animals may to know that she is there with her son always and nobody can dare touch her son and all the animals kept far away. The tiger cub also liked to roar a loud tiger cub roar to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there. But all the other animals in the jungle were not afraid at all and none of them ran away. So the little tiger liked to roar, but no animal get afraid of him because he is very small. He wanted to roar like his mother. But there come a year when the small tiger cub was a full grown tiger. He walked for miles alone, hunting for game at night. When he roared to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there, all the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. And the great big tiger that had been a small tiger cub, hearing his own loud roar, smiled to himself a great big tiger smile. So later on, the small tiger grew in a big tiger. Whenever he learned from his mother, he used to follow her and he used to go hunted in the night. So when he roared loud in the jungle to tell the other animals that he is here, all the animals used to stay far away from. Now the little tiger cub, who has become a new big tiger, begins a new journey and roaring like all the other adult tigers. So children, I hope you liked the story. Thank you.